Welcome to Young Kids League A1 YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the red subscribe button down below and turn on the bell icon. Tell me what you think about this video in the comment section.
If you are candidate wako ni wako, we should vote because uyu muntu afuma kuri Kabebe village, pantu afuma kuri Kabebe province, na chetu muvotere pantu afuma kuri Kabebe province akona ule charo kuvota tulefo abantu abakwatamano abakwisa sunga ba civil servant, tulefo abantu abakwatamano abakesa bwesha obunga, abakesa bwesha fertilizer, abakesa bwesha fuel bako tabena Zambia bale mona kwati bale ikara mucharo. So iyo slogan munelanda iya candidate wako ni wako, tatulefo kuvotela abantu abatumpa abakona ule charo Bamaiko Sata Balevi mwana wasa Bachiruba takutatwala umfako wako ni wako. Mushta yaba nani yaba kaunda takwali wako ni wako. Ngachali chakwebo kwebati bakaunda na bena nkumbula na kapwepwe ngabalela ndo kwebati wako ni wako. Kapwepwe alefuma ku Northern Province by that time in the Northern Rhodesia. Bakaunda balefuma ku Northern Rhodesia which is also Chinsari. Bakaunda na kapwepwe bafumile ku Chinsari. Mula mfefyo ndelana bankumbula bafumile ku Southern Province. Nomba bali kwetia mano bakusala bakaunda kulando kwebati bakwebati tululi abantu nina ntwala bonfya ekusa senda kaunda nokubombera chapamo bapoka no buntungwa na abantu balalya nokupwa balaupwa na basungu babutuka basakala nyongo babutuka takwali ati wako ni wako. So hii slogan ya kutati wako ni wako mukatuleteria amashiro mule votela abapena kona ule charo inde name of wako ni wako. Tatulefo kona ule charo kuleta amashiro, tatulefo kona ule charo kuleta vipuba, tatulefo kona ule charo chino. Zambia is a Christian nation. Tulefo ya obutungurushi wa Zambia is a Christian nation. Bukonga nyibuka konganyepo. Tulefo ya kuleta one Zambia one nation to continue. Tatulefo ya mukale komana. Tatulefo ya tribalism ifya kweba tipantu abafuma kuri aba twakala ingisha fe ba brulubes mwala bokweba tiba brulubenu bali upa abatonga mwala bati abatonga bali upa ababemba bali kwata mu abana mwala bati abalozi bali upa kuba ngoni abangoni bali upa bakaonde bali kwata mu abana bali kwata na mashina ya chingoni bali kwata na mashina bukaonde nomba ngamwalala ndati wako ni wako nishibona ona ule charo basakala nyongo unomwaka tulefo abantu abakwatamana tatule votela dio wako ni wako ukuru votela wako ni wako ekutumpo kwale kalesha ekutumpo kwale kwa na ule chalo basakala nyongo. We are not going to allow any province nangula chimutundu chimo kula votelo muntu wabo pako ebatio pantu wako ni wako nomba wako ni wako ngalete msala wako ni wako ngaona ule chalo bonse tukachulila tulefu abantu abakwatamano not wako ni wako in the name of muntu weso o tulevotela katuishi mu kitundu chimbevo balanda. So unomwaka wa 2026 tulefo kuvotela abantu abakwatamana not kuvotela amashiro kuvotela muntu wa penali sensebuka aliserebuka pantu muleri anankwe pantu walisenda katenge pantu walifora t-shirt we muntu wa kwatamana wamkuvota t-shirt wamkuvotele kitenge nomba iyo ina t-shirt bakakupela ukaifuala up to 2031 icho chine kitenge bakakupela ukachifuala up to 2031. So tulefo abantu abakuvota abakwatamano tatulefo amashiro kona ule chalo kula tulefo kona ule chalo tulefo abantu abakwatamano abakweba tinga bayisa mu buteko bambo okulolesha umusebo wafuma papa toka kuya kumamba wabatati from sinazeze to sinazongwe kwa batamaki umusebo wakufuma ku pachongwe ukuyafika mu Rwangwa kwa batamaki umusebo wakufuma mu Ruwingu kuya kudani kula ukuya ku kuchirubi kwa batamaki umusebo uwakufuma kumansa ukwiza pita mupeti kolodi muda mwa batamaki umusebo uwakufuma kumansa kupita mtuta kwa batamaki umusebo wali onaika. We are looking at the leaders who can think, not you ishina ya wako ni wako muka tulete na mashiru muka tulete na bapena muka na ule chalo tatulefwa echalo chikona ike chino kumashiru abapena basakala nyongo tulefwa echalo chalo chile moneke echalo aba ku Malawi bale chikumbwa aba ku South Africa bale kumbwa aba ku Malawi aba ku Zimbabwe bale kumbwa echalo tulefwa abasungu eza mukutamba Vlafine mtontonganyati inkaeko ku UK we muntu ule akuchechi ule mkupe patileza wandi inkaeko UK ule mkusi you are even going for prayer and fasting inkaeko America was built by people like us. China was built by people like us. India was built by people like us. United Kingdom was built by people like us. But aba ku UK bala ku toilet na fotura ku toilet. Badaba ku China barasamba na hivyo turasamba. Badaba ku India bali kwa tameno na hivyo bali kwa tameno. Badaba tu ba ku Rome bali kwa temiona na hivyo bali kwa temiona. So we need to just to put our country together. No kwamba kutontonga yanga abantu who are created in the image of God. So this year mwikarolesha pa chimutundu. Kulolesha chimuntu pali chafa ku mutundu wenu mwavota. Elo chikale tensala chikona ule chalo. Tulefwa chino echalo abantu abakwatamano. To develop a nation, we need the people can think about the future of the children, the future of the old people, the future of everyone. Echalo ndela ndapoint. So 2026 mwambi okuba checheta aba abufi bekeni bashale. You cannot develop a nation with leaders who are liars. Takwaba you go to UK kwa abasungu. Abasungu bali abasungu abalo abasompe myona nga bamuchenche barefyo baba abasungu umuntu ngabe pobufi minister prime minister ngabe pobufi bala because barishiba ukuteka abantu bano ngo waona ule chalo abachula mu bengi ngo warunda fuel abachula mu bengi ngo warunda obunga abachula mu bengi ngo warunda fertilizer abachula mu bengi ngo warunda transport abachula mu bengi. So, in the Amashabu Teko, Tesha Kwatirakaso. When Mandela was in prison for 27 years, Mandela was in prison for 27 years. When he came out of prison, Mandela made it very clear. Let us forget about the past and pick good things out of the past and build South Africa. That's why today foreigners are going to South Africa. They are being beaten. They are being killed. Because there are people who built South Africa. But today, we are struggling. We want to go to South Africa, an African country. How many South Africans are in this country? Zambians are everywhere in South Africa. Why are we learning to go to work in South Africa? That's why I'm in South Africa. Because we Africans, we don't want to develop our countries. South Africa is in Africa. Zambia is in Africa. Malawi, Tanzania, Congo, Nigeria, Egypt, they are all in Africa. But why are we failing to develop Mother Zambia? Because of useless leaders. And we are not going to allow Chino Charo. Because we want to be cowards. We are not going to allow. This generation where we are in the Gen Z. But Gen Z, where are you? When I say Gen Z, we are talking about the youths who are born with the internet. Baka inde ngabala ndila tubunga kwa 50 kwacha. Ba Gen Z tabalanda. Bafumia fe video balanda. Baka inde ngabala ndila fertilizer. Ikaba 250 kwacha. Ba Gen Z bafumia fe 250 kwacha video. Tabalanda. They were born with the internet. When I say Gen Z, we say Generation Zoomer. These are the people, these are young ones who are born with the internet. Internet only aishire. So you cannot cheat them. That's why today the youths have said, no, you cheated us. Because by Gen Z, they are able to refer. But they are video They are able to compare what he said in 2019, 2020, 2021, and today. They are able to compare. And the Gen Z tabafua insala. But Gen Z tabafua yabufi. But Gen Z tabafua simple life. So you cannot come and punish the youth. If you are a youth outside there, you should think, why are you voting UPND? Why should you vote? Why should you give Hakainde Hichilema another 5 years? Another 5 years of poverty? Another 5 years of load shedding? Another 5 years of high prices of hunger, high prices of fuel? If that's what you want to achieve. So Hakainde Hichilema tatwamu pata iyo lero Hakainde ewa patabe na Zambia akana okukala mu State House inganda ya chalo akana fuel alunda ubunga alunda fertilizer alunda amalight alunda amalight ashitisha. Why should you vote your church? Hakainde has got no manifesto today. That's why Aleshana Fenomba Aleshana Dukuda Dakwete manifesto ngapala likula shana Fenomba nidi odo mwa ichaendera ayebere abapongoshi bamwita abapongoshi bamwe bati mwise muli pulendela mashachupo kuyafika kulia alashana fe mungana abafyashi bala ipukia nomba abapongoshi aba tatwishe mukufuwa endela mashachupo bele bale pikula fyamasha bamdawa bale pikula masha ulefu wa kutamba masha wenani abena Zambia tabakali amasha kwa Hakainde Hichilema. Abena Zambia tabakali amasha aretikula echeche aretikula masha. Abena Zambia barefo obungo bwa chipa fiwo ya chipa to lower the cost of living. Barefo amabroko na cement ya chipa. Barefo transport ya chipa. Barefo emyotoke ya chipa. Lero Hakainde Hichilema bale pikula masha. Bale pikula fya masha wa mdala. Ngapikula masha ya bale pikula masha. So tambe masha bamdala masha bale pikula amasha bale shana bale landati nalirunda obunga bale shana nalirunda fiyo bale pikula masha nalirunda fertilizer bale pikula masha. So brothers and sisters, the game is over. President Hakainde Hichilema has lost power next month. And I can assure you, the Zambian people are going to celebrate. Hakainde Hichilema, umunabu aleru wala. Ama Zambians, they are Christians. Aba kwa toruse. Eti karungu aleru wala. Amu kunine ndeke. Kuya mufumia pandeke. Nisharia kuchipatala. Abena Zambia bamona. Kwa di baka teko umunanku aleru wala. Kuya mufumia pandeke. Umunanku afwa. Kula mufu amuchitumbi. Abena Zambia baka na chao. Takwa mtekere yaso. As we are Christians, Zambia is a Christian nation. You cannot make your brother to suffer, to endure suffering. Baeti karungu ngabari ya kuchipatala on time or in time ngatabafu. Bale bafumia pandeke. Baeti karungu ngabari bafumia pandeke. Namba Hakainde Hichilema. The Bible says you reap what you sow. Zambian people mwebare tamba. Hakainde ribala pona my election next month. Bale baba former president. Gachakwebo okwebati Brani Mundubire Nangula Kalaba Nangula KBF aba president elo baruwala elo Hakainde Hichilema baba fumiapo baba fumia pandeke bale shikila. What are you going to say, you the people of Ruapula? What are you going to say, you the people of Southern Province, Muchinga, Eastern Province, Lusaka? Mukalandati bali kwa tamano umunanku aleruwala Hakainde Hichilema nga baruwala ili baka aba former president balefo okuya ku India balefo okuya ku South Africa tukale bafunya pandeke. Zambian people, you are going to say to walikuwa tamano ngachali chakwebo akwebati uti nemfwa nina mwenso ba Michael Sata balifwa Bakaunda balifwa ba FTJ balifwa ba Eti Kalungu balifwa ba Rupia Banda balifwa Levi mwana wasa alifwa Hakainde nga balifwire lero ela twababika mu fridge more than 1 year. You the poor people, what are you going to tell us when we are going to be in leadership? Ukubika ba former president mu fridge for 1 year. Chimkalanda twalikuwa tamana. Abena Zambia nabakana. takwa bako eko babika former president mumochari for 1 year. Zambian people have said this is uncalled for, this is un-Christian, this is un-culture. All these things have the campaign Kainde Chilema. Na remwewa Kainde Chilema. God is my witness. Na debere ba HH na ba Edgar Lungu. Na landiro kweba tiba Kainde Chilema. Na ba Edgar Lungu forgive each other. There is no forgiveness in the grave. That's what I said. How many times he died? Mweba ntamba, mweba nkonganga parwendo. How many times I reba Kainde Chilema? Na ba Edgar Lungu. There is no forgiveness in the grave. Even Alelan, forgive each other. I become the enemy of the UPND. By Edgar Lungu barifwa. Ngabari tire forgive each other. Ngabari itemenwe. Apepo tulana barunga tuwalishika. Chamu pamba, Elo Chanson, former president Jaffa, no shika for 1 year. Abena Zambia na bakana. Number, what we want, because by UPND, by Edgar Lungu, by Landa Chakatumbi, Taba Chindike by Edgar Lungu, by UPND, Amarida, Amakadas, by Eva Barungati, to come and say Musai. To have a former president, Umano Munono, Uroa Kusorwezi, Kurando Kwebati, Akatesa Musai, by a former president, by Kainde Baretamba, by UPND Baretamba, by police Baretamba, former president Baremutuka. Kurando Kwebati Baremufula, Baka Muchesa Musai Kusorwezi, Northwestern province, Northwestern province. Zambian people that have said that was a culture. A child like him, he was supposed to be arrested, taken to jail for insulting the former president. Whether Edgar Lungu alikwete mano, na ngutakwete mano, he remains a former president. Baka inde Chilema, ilibara wa former president. Tato wakasuminishe, uwakutuka Kainde Chilema. Because Kainde Chilema is going to be a former president. Is a parent and is an elder. And we are going to have only one former president. We are not going to allow anyone to insult Kainde Chilema. I can assure you. We are not going to fight Kainde Chilema. That nonsense must be stopped. That demonic must be stopped. That satanic must be stopped. That Freemasonic must be stopped. Our former president must be respected. So by UPND Tabachi, respect by Edgar Lungu, we are coming to respect Kainde Chilema. If they never cared Edgar Lungu, we are coming to care for Kainde Chilema. So that Makamu Tunguru Shobo to Aquata. If Obu Tunguru Shua Quata, Tatua Tom Tunguru Shua to Kavant, Tatua Tom Tunguru Shua propaganda, Tatua Tom Tunguru Shua Wabufi. We are coming to put this country together. How we run a country. We are coming to show you how we run a country. Tulefwa ababe mbalaba tonga bakale elira pamu tulefwa abarozi na bakarubale bale shanna pamu bale ingire nchito. That's what we are coming for. We are not coming to divide this country. Zambia needs all of us. This country needs every tribe. Every tribe they have produced graduates. They need employment. So we are not coming for tribalism. We are not coming for tribalism, Baba. We are not going to allow this nonsense of Kadarism. How many people have died? And in this general election, number every general election, for what? Mu 2021, Kungo bari muipe polling station. Apatulelanda, ukuma okubaripa, uwa Southern province uria, independent uria. Who drive at Yarifwa because Katushika Nishi number. We have not yet received the information from the police. We are not going to sort out the problems of our country through violence, through killing each other. Stop killing each other. Stop violence. What kupena muni mashiru mwari pena. Mbango waipa munobe. Ala chubeshi. Awa ku state house. Uya ku state house ni umo. Ela no mamule senda mapanga mule ipa. Mule ibikire tipo pa mubili. Mukapena. Ela ba police abamule mona balaruka. Iliba Kainde Chilema balerusa ma election. Ba police bale kuka. Ba Edgar Lungu bali kwete ba police, bali kwete ba OP, bali kwete ECZ bapona. Yani bale pona. Ba police bakuka na flag ya kuka. Yana kuya Kainde. Akainde ale pona. naye na fragile kuka nechalenga kaindi apone ni sala. Yes, poverty levels are high cost of living, things are expensive. Sugar yali dula, cooking oil yali dula, light yali dula, transport yali dula, fertilizer fuels kwa kwa ni echalo. So bamdala katushe ni mwe bamdala batushe koro akota asabirwa n'abana tatu abapata bakainde echilema. You the good people of Central Province tatu abapata kainde echilema. He has failed. You the good people of Southern Province tapadu abapata kainde echilema. That's why all the provinces they voted kainde echilema. And I want to appeal to the good people of Southern Province, the good people of Western Province, the good people of Northwestern Province, the way you voted in numbers in 2021 to vote out PF, can you also vote in numbers to vote out UPND? Because if we compare UPND and the PF, things were better than in PF than UPND. Why should we keep UPND? Because you the good people of Southern Province, muareshto ubunga 120 mu PF mwaifumi hapo ubunga bwali fika more than 300 kwacha 200 and more than 300 kwacha. Why should you vote UPND? But you the good people of Western Province muareshta fuel 17 kwacha bakainde ichema fuel yali tula more than 26 kwacha yali fikena 35 kwacha per liter. Why should you vote akainde ichema? You the good people of Western Province, you the good people of Northwestern Province, muareshta fertilizer bali 650 kwacha muarandila tiyari tula lero fertilizer yali fika more than 1000 kwacha. The question is, why should you vote akainde ichema and UPND? The way you voted in 2021, that's the way we are expecting you to vote. Because you know how to vote. You know how to vote. You the good people of Western Province. You the good people of Southern Province. You the good people of Northwestern Province. You know how to vote. You voted the numbers to remove PF. Because you said things were expensive. So can you vote in numbers? We need 1 million votes. Akainde ichilema at 1 million votes in 3 provinces. And this year, now Southern Province, here it started just more than 1 million votes. So you the people of Southern Province, show us let card. Mutulange, the way we know you know how to vote. Imota muvotela Yoshan, muvotela development. Imota vote. So tulefu okumona how you are going to vote this year. Ubunga wali dula, figo yali dula, right yali dula. Tulefu okumona. If you wanna vote this year, you the good people of Southern Province, you the good people of Northwestern, you the good people of Western Province, you know how to vote. And also in other provinces, for Akainde Ichilema to win to have 2.8 million. That 2.8 million came in all the provinces. So the way you voted in 2021, you the good people of Luapula, you the good people of Muchinga, Eastern Province, Northwestern, Copper Belt, Central Lusaka, the way you voted in 2021 to vote Akainde Ichilema. That's how we want you to vote out Akainde Ichilema. Therefore, Akainde Ichilema, Assembly person. There are so many people that are complaining. Even the civil servants who are complaining. So the question is, your husband is a civil servant. You are a civil servant as a wife. Or you are not married as a civil servant. Why should you vote Akainde Ichilema? You want to serve for another 5 years. Let us retire President Akainde Ichilema with love and respect. President Akainde Ichilema has failed to govern this country. When somebody has failed to govern the country, we don't want this country to be a skeleton. We don't want people to start migrating from this country to another country. No. The way the people of Zimbabwe, they were migrating from Zimbabwe to come to Zambia, selling sweets, selling biscuits along our streets. We don't want that. Zambia is very rich. But the people that live in this country are the poor. Why are we poor? Tualikwata gold, tualikwata sweetlite, tualikwata copper, twalikwata zinc, twalikwata coal, twalikwata gold. We have all the minerals are here, but our people are still poor. Why are we poor? It's because of poor leadership, lack of seriousness of our leaders. That's why we are poor. That's why we are struggling. That's why all of us, we are beggars. For how long are we going to be beggars? Kula tino kushito ubunganga bwapa munganda kwamba okulira. Ama civil servant benshi emyoto kapa ama empty gatwalanda empty things empty am inyoto kabenda fyota mwa benda pa ngawasanga civil servant alikwata full tank kutuwa pena kutuwa wasende saka yo muchaki ngemyoto kashaba civil servant abensha benda pa moto kwa civil servant ngayafwa ni fuel pump na ipia ichilenga fuel pump kupia fuel ngaireche pa moto ba civil servant bashita ama fuel pump every day. They cannot manage to have a full tank. Number, if the civil servant are struggling, if you're a civil servant, but then what tea milk, but then what tea black, they are failing to buy milk. In our country, our civil servants are poor. About 30 up to 30, they are poor. Number, what about you don't work in the government? What about you, the poor marketeer? You are waiting for a customer. A civil servant is assured to get paid at the end of the month. They are poor. Is that a country you want? A civil servant badi ni chushi. Akainde Chilema and the UPND. They have disappointed us, but we are not going to insult them. Let us remove them. They go back in opposition so that others who are serious, they can take over the leadership. Now you understand why Hakainde Hichilema was rejected many times. Now you have come to know why Hakainde Hichilema, the Zambian people, they never wanted to vote HH. Because learning the nation is spiritual. God spoke to us. Hakainde Hichilema was rejected many times. But for God so loved the world, he gave him a chance. Others were saying, nobody mpatafi Hakainde Hichilema, akabwe shobunga 50 kwacha, Bari is going to fix it. Zambian people said, we are one Zambia, one nation. We are one people. Everyone is needed to be a leader. They voted Hakainde Hichilema in numbers. And Hakainde Hichilema became the president. No, there is not any province where they never voted Hakainde Hichilema. That's a lie. If you want to become a president, you cannot win an election in 3 provinces. Now, 3 million. You cannot win an election in 3 provinces. You need all the provinces for you to win an election. So now, the good people of Zambia, they voted Hakainde Hichilema in 2021, expecting unga 50 kwacha, expecting fuel cheaper, fertilizer cheaper, lower the cost of living. Things are expensive. Fuel is expensive. Malaita are very expensive. They were exporting electricity when the Zambian people, they wanted electricity. So what can we do now? The best thing that we can do is to return Hakainde Hichilema with love and respect. He's going to be a former president. Urefa utaurefwa. Ukaera la pamulilo. Pafu embua, pafu ensofu, pafu akaruru. UPND must go. Na ma UPND na ma members. Na abala ndokwe but nefuna tunaka. There are so many members of the UPND who are frustrated. Who thought ngaba Hakainde ngaba winner? They are going to benefit either kuma cooperative. They will benefit through CDF. No bunga uka 50 kwacha. If there are people who are disappointed, they are UPND members. Because UPND members, they were not affording to buy ungati 120. They decided to vote for 50 kwacha. Tabale chita afford to kusta fuel by 17 kwacha. They wanted fuel 12 kwacha per liter. So the people who are disappointed by the leadership of Hakainde Hichilema are the people who are putting on the red shirt. Yagama sheti bale fuala. Yama deko. Insata kwa batina ufola red shirt. Insata kwa batina ufola green shirt. How? Developing a nation we don't look at a chitenge material. Developing a nation, we don't look at a t-shirt. Those are useless. We are looking at a leader who are going to build the infrastructure in a community where you are. Anyway, I can get maybe 1 or 2 calls. 077, the game is over. 077 95 19 270 or 09366 11195. You can call me so that together we can make it. Thank you so much, Balapson Nguni. You are watching from Lusaka, 15 miles. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Diallo Chitankwa, you are watching. Thank you so much for that insult. I'm not going to block you because you are a fool. I don't block fools. So whatever messages you are writing, insulting, I'm not going to block you. I'm not going to insult you. You are a fool. So bring down your messages. Game yari. Bora yari pwa. Hello, number what has remained now? This is the information to you, the good people who want to have change. Next month, we need to go out and vote in numbers. Next month, we need to protect the votes. Because UPN na ipona. Ba UPN na bapona. Ngabale foku lete mingalato. Chiramu itwala ndilo kwebati. Yo imingalato shikaba ini aigia. De mieba. Bara abena muitwa. De ya kuvote bakabela ngaba vote bakabela ma. Balama former ministers bakabela ma. Never be used. Baka miebi atiyo kapange ni mingalato pa polling station. Ba police baka mitoba ama pi. This time a police are not going to allow that nonsense. Ya kweba chimwapanshi ya chimu mule ivota. So nga cha kweba tule tontonka nyati. Yo baka kupele ndalama. Yo 20 pini. Usende ama pre-marked ballot paper. Yo 10 pini. Senda. Iwe. Na ukwata baka shinabana. Abena Zambia bari kalipange nyense. So if you want peace, know how to understand about peace. Don't think about rigging. Ngawambo kulanda dio baka kuperi orupia. Ela bene baka fisame. Kadi ama big politician baka fisame. Ela baka kuperi orupia. Ukasenda ama pre-marked ballot papers. Ngabaku ikata. Wewe ukagujere niwe. Ukashaba kashina abana. Ngabaku pera ama ballot paper bachonga. Atiyo uyo paria, uyo pange so. My friend, you'll be disappointed. Oh, bake kata niwe. Tabakala ndati yaba kutumine nibaria. Yo aba chikutuma niba former minister. Yo aba chikutuma niba kateka. Ba former president. Yo aba chikutuma niba. Iwe ukaweka kuchele. So I want to advise you. Let free education you talk about, work in your hand, in your mind. Come on, the free education. We need free and fair election. Tatulefuaya intrubundi mucharo. Tatulefuaya okuiba ama vote. Zambian people, you need to protect your votes. No one should sit on your rights. Ela kuma totaling center kuria. Make sure you protect the votes. Tatulefuaya tukala ndati yo na beba ma election. Yo bakada bachisa balete chimfurunganya. Tamwakalia makada for another 5 years. It is your duty to protect your votes. It is your duty to cast out your votes. So make sure you protect the votes. Make sure you cast out your votes. Tatulefuaya a vote apati. Ngatamulefuaya kuvota. Nishimulela ndo kweba tubunge file bwa dola. Buka be 600 kwacha. Ngatamulefuaya kuvota. Nishimulefuaya load shedding re aliko. Ikabelelele. Ngatamulefuaya kuvota. Nishimulefuaya ati. Filafine nani? Filafine fiyo ya dola. Baka rundeka fike 50 kwacha perita. Utufiu poma upako tuko naika. So nde romba. If you are a normal Zambian, dare kuvota, you go and vote. And make sure you protect the vote. Not maka mibili ama vote. Tatulefuaya echongo. Atuakana. We muntunga wali bomba. Baka inde ngabali bomba. Ngabali bwesho bunga 50 kwacha. Muka vote. Baka inde echema ngabali bwesha fiyo. Pali 12 kwacha perita. Muka vote. Baka inde echema ngabali bwesha fertilizer. Pali 250 kwacha. Muka vote. Aka inde echema ngataite export ama right. Takuwa load shedding. Muka vote. Kai mlefu uko na ule chalo. lesani mipera matwa ya kumfwa lesani mipera meso. That's why kwali bama vote ngati ubuteko ngata bombere bwino kubufumi hapo. That's why to vote ngati walishi bati bakainde echilema bali bombo bunga bwali chipa abantu balekuta fio yali chipa abantu ngabala mkuvota kainde chitinda ngombe. You have complained from 2021 up to today, and again want to make a mistake to go and die in poverty for another 5 years. Bakainde echilema ngati wabafunye pali bu president tabakachule tukabasunga bwino. But what about the poor people of Shangombo? What about the poor people of Eastern Province, Petauke, Chadiza? What about the poor people of Rusaka, Kajama, Chiworia? Akainde echilema ngati wampoko ubuteko takachule abakashiba kona abana tabakachule. We are going to keep him. We are not going to persecute akainde echilema. We are not like them. No. So ngachakwa batu mulemu mfilo oluse yo akainde echilema pantu mwekeza mkumuchusha tatuleza mkutari revenge. We are therefore kuwashe chalo chilona chilamba. This country is very dead of tribalism. This country is very dead of poverty. This country is very dead with high cost of living. We are coming to fight poverty. We are not coming to fight akainde echilema. So bakainde echilema must be respected. Muna umfefio ndelanda akainde echilema is going to be the former president. Fiamwale tukaba rungu kutumpa mukareko kupena kuri. Akainde echilema tule kuata former president. Wama former president mwema shiru imwe bari fwa mwema temo kutukana mwema shiru. So akainde echilema we are going to keep him like he's the only son. Fevya kweba tu walikuata abana kashi bonse bana kashuro wasa kwata kamwana akamwa ume kula ba ukatentemba tira balanda tumwa ume wakulela bakainde tukabalela lero nabafiro kuteka echalo. Don't make a mistake pantu wamuta mumfwa akainde echilema naona ule echalo agali mke myolu chero nabakashina abana kuya mkuvota UPND nisho mrefu achishi mrefu mkapenye echalo lekeni ba UPND batushe. Tulete kwa abantu abala tola kwechalo pantage no tukura bekata bamuitwa bajaki mwimbu abena gari nkombo ngabali kura manganda tatukwetera fiene nchitofida. Umuntu ngari former minister, umuntu ngari former MP kuti akule nganda. We are not coming for that nonsense of cyber crime or that nonsense of process of crime. No. We are coming to build this country without fighting anyone. Akainde echilema alingira akade umfwa as a former president. So that tulefwa ifya abupuba ifya abushiru fya kwebati akainde echilema ngarusa my election mukale butuka community house. We are going to protect community house. We are going to protect his property because he's going to be a former president. We are coming tuleka mkwashe charo chino na chinunka chile nunka ngama kufiko fyansala ishawari chile nunka chino kwati mafi mulandi wa corruption chino echao chile nunka kwati mafi mulandi wa tribalism chocho chile nunka mulandi wa kwebati ifi yakuna fyali dula fyo yali dula tulesa mkuwa shama fi simple as that. Shamona ko ine umufi yashu umwana kashi umwana nganya ambo kumo umwana twayiwanya abana kashi babula fyama fi bawasha nefya ufwara abika pantambo tulesa mkuwa shama fi ya corruption tatu ageza mkuwoma bali ayo tatu ageza mkubekata iyo tulesa mkuwa shama fi ya corruption ama fi ya poverty level umwana nganya tatu muma iyo abana kashi umwana nganya bamuchinya diaper taboma abana mwana bamusanfyafye bamuchinya na diaper tulechinja obuteko chapwa. Not if you are Kurwa. We are one Zambia, one nation. We want to make this country a better place for all of us. We want to see civil servant dead swap. Tell me where session. Mukale ikuta. Bashima farm. Tulebwesha fertilizer. Mukale kwata profit. Fertilizer ari dola. Nomba we muntu fertilizer nga dola. Elo potu ukwanishe ukushita apepo ndelanda. Akainde ichile matabeba. Efe balashita matawanishinga. Abantu balaisha amataba 50 kg 150 170 mwandu wansaba nomba muntu ngareshe saka 170 pakutaka ite fertilizer 1200 kwacha ma 50 kg anga kashiti. Our people have suffered. Enough is enough. Aba soya beans barechura ngawasanga aba shafwaka ku Eastern Province of barechura bari onda ama prices yo bashafwaka bulanda bushara soya beans mu PF 5 years ago abantu baresha so a package 12 kwacha 50 ngwe akainde chema no buteko bwakwe baresha soya beans by 7 kwacha na 6 kwacha package. Zambian people have become slaves, have become slavery. Zambian people have become poor. Where is the Minister of Agriculture? What was he doing, Mutolo? Where is the government? Our miners are suffering in the copper belt. Ngamwaku mufulila. Mukaye monafo bashimani ba honda. Ba shadila kumitwe kumufulila. Ngamwaku chingola ba chabale chula. Bali bapoka ma Black Mountain. Ko bare para tu kopa. To kusungira mabaka shinabana. Bali bapoka ma Black Mountain. Why should the Zambian people suffer? We need to change the government without violence, without killing each other, without insulting one another. There is a future for all of us. We cannot put a government of UPND which has brought poverty to us and we give it another chance. So, Bamwana 0977 0977 95 19 270. If you want to contribute, you can call 09666 11195. Ema namba ndepo kerapo amakozi. Ema namba ndepo kerapo amakozi. 0966 11195 or 077 95 19 270. You can call me and participate on my program. You can call me and participate on my program. Ababa Precious Namonga Mombe. I'm a farmer. I have my own unga. I've owned my unga. You can see the thinking of a Zambian. So if you are a farmer, therefore abantu bonso bakurusaka. I'm a doctors, I'm a nurses, I'm a teachers. Baby, I'm a farmers. When fertilizer are cheaper, you can produce more. And we are going to have enough food. Those who are in town, they can access cheaper meal. You want all of us to be farmers, are you sure? Precious namonga. So if you are a farmer, you can't see how fuel is expensive to transport your produce to the milling. You can't see that transport is expensive. You can't see that. You are supporting blindly. But look what Precious Namonga. Don't disappoint me. I thought Namonga was Precious. I'm very sorry, sister. Mukabwele good school. Bali mletera free education. Kaiba kainde bala yumfo. Free education aba ambepo ni baka unda. Ba PF, they introduce free education from grade 1 to grade 7. Ba PF ba fumisheko one. Ba abantu ba ready pila. Ba ready pila ma 2000. Ba PF ba fumiyako. Ba fumiyako 1800. Kwa shere 200 kwa cho ba ready pila ba. Ba kainde ba fumiyako 200 kwa cho. So can you compare PF and UPND? Ba PF ba fumisheko 1800 kwa cho. Ba UPND ba fumiyako 200. So which is better? Which is better between 1800 na 200 kwacha wakainde bare imama baka bafumisheko 200 kwacha baredi pilabana ba PF bafumisheko 1800. So you can see baka inde must done nothing. Tepele fumata wamda bale niwa jiona leta free education bafumiyako 200 kwacha ba PF bafumisheko 1800 kwacha the 200 kwacha ba PF bare kula masku abana tabale sambira ngempanya mkrasi. Lero abana bale bapampa ngempanya. Teacher tashi bano kuchonga. Teacher tashi bana mashina yabana be school. Abali mu class. Abana chinkumba wile. Ngapunda 1+1 bale punda 40. Abali kunu bale punda 40. 1+1 40. We need quality education with a good infrastructure. ama teachers barechura bali onda bo wasanga teacher ashara te kumutwe bali onda ama teachers because abana barefunda teacher umo abana 100 mu class n'abana tabeshwa amashina inona resambirira teacher weswali twishe amashina ngatawishe mu class ageshi bati malota waishire nomba abana nga bali 100 ngateshi yo mwana takeshibe whether na Islam teshi abana baba pampange mpanya mu class nomba ushe education to we need to build more schools, then we increase the numbers of the learners. That's how it is. For you cannot have done that. Abana 100 no ishimo kuberenga walisho kupunda 1 + 1 is equal to 2 1 + y is equal to 2 find y ulesa ngomwana taishwe chiri chonse abana 100 teacher nasa alele insala ubunga bwali dola transport yali dola ama rentos yali dola teacher ngale alefunda ale pepe ukano mwela mwana wansala ngapunda 1 + 1 teacher pod teacher ngapunda 1 + 1 hour insala. So we need quality education no kuchitanalyze ifindu. So lenje batakwali ama farmers mu 2021 takwali ama farmers eko bali ama farmers akainde chema na UPN tebale tsungo utulishawo twareshto obunga abantu ama farmers eko bali but the people they complained and they said unga wa dula 120 fio ya dula so yes, thank you so much. I know President Brian Mundiwe is live. He's also live on my page. Grassroots Media is live. So you can check. He's also live on Grassroots Media in Mporokoso. Thank you so much, Baroni. Shamakanga. Thank you so much. Mwinga. Atiwa a comedian. Okay, boy. Mwinga. Kamwamba basa. Grassroots Media tibayumi. Ashonto. Ati Grassroots Media. Mulibayumi. Na wawine mwinga. Njala ikuchaya. Kulipe nani? Supermarket ya iwa mwinga kwa hachi pefi ya kulia. Takuwa filling station ya UPND. Eko fiyo ya chipa. Mwose mule chura mwari onda. Mwashari na kumitu. Ba mwinga imwe. Trouser sila pona. Ama belt mwari tula 2 times. Ulemona? Belt. Ngoredi ya bwino tachufora belt. Ngoredi ya bwino. Ulemona? Noma nga tauledi ya bwino. Kula mwa kufora belt. Tauledi ya bwino. Ngwa sango umuntu la fuenda ka belt. Ni sala heka. Akainde. Nami opona nensala. Akainde echechi. Alete nsala. This year na ponarea. So bamdala bale baba former president. Bale pona na baya. Let me monitor my page let me also monitor what is happening in Mporokoso. Lastly, I want to invite President KBF, President Karaba.